Hi everyone. So today we are going to prank our founders. There's a long-standing project that's been here at RedHunt Labs, and we have done something about it. Before pulling in the big guys, Devang and Kunal, is everything in line? Is it working?
Yeah, everything is deployed and live. We can showcase the site to public. I guess we are good to go.
Awesome.
Good, good. I also just checked. Super smooth. Pipelines are working. Everything good to go. Just praying to the demo gods. Nothing goes wrong today. Good to
Awesome.
go.
Awesome. Cool. Let me give a call to the founders and let's see.
All right.
One eternity later.
Cool. They are here. Let's admit them. Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, Sudhanshu. Hey, Shubham.
Hey, Shubham. Hey,
So what
Shubham.
is this about, guys?
Uh, we'll get to that. By the way, Shubham, you have been talking about the data that we have been collecting from internet scans and from all the different sources. Can you talk a bit on that, please?
Okay, that's quite putting me on the spot. But yeah, I mean, I always talk about that we are one of the few ASM companies who are using, the actual data. We are scanning the internet a lot, and then we are making inventory out of it. So that's few companies do it. They are doing it, and we have a lot of data, and we have a lot of insight. So I think we should share some part of that insight with the world, with the community, so that others can also learn. While we can talk about what we do, but also giving it, some sort of that data so people can use and collaborate on top of that. That's all I'm asking. I know it's not that big of a ask, but I also know that you guys are very busy with your sprint cycles and also, yeah, that's what I will always say.
Yeah, and so on to add to that, we have been doing a lot of research, right, under product resonance. We did a lot of waves, released a lot of data sets, a couple of open source tools as well at multiple conferences and events, right? So yeah, collating that as well would be a great thing to have, as we have discussed in the past at multiple times, right?
100%. 100%. Yeah.
Awesome.
So all of
So
that in one place, basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, I get that. And you're right. We have been keeping busy, and the research team, especially Devang, have been doing a lot on this. I won't say a lot and kill the mood. I'll just show it to you. Yeah. Is the screen visible?
I can see it.
Yes,
What is that?
we can see that.
That sounds fancy. What is that?
Yeah, so it's the research dashboard that we have created. So there are
Oh, wow.
4.7 billion
Is
subdomains
it
that
our
we have.
data?
Yeah, it's coming from Elastic. It's all real time coming from Elastic. And with all the code repository commits, secrets, scanning, all the different kinds of asset data leaks, we have all collated it at a single place. Apart from that, there are different tools that we have created, different project resonance waves. It has been like segregated and distributed at different places. We have collated it at a single place, and the data set it produces, we have also mentioned it here so that people can download and community can use it.
That is cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Amazing stuff, folks. Amazing stuff.
So guys, what do you think about it?
I think it's cool. Honestly, I thought when you asked me to get on the call, I thought you have broken the production, but thank God that's not the case. I love it, man. I'm gonna go deeper into that and understand how accurate these numbers are. But it looks very cool from the top of it. And I mean, if that's the case, when are we going to launch it? When are we going to show it to the world?
Kunal, would you like to say him?
Drum roll. This is the launch.
What?
Yes.
What? This is the
They-
launch. You mean what? This is the video which is gonna go out or what?
Correct. This is the launch video, which we are going to put on social media so that everyone knows about it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. You guys have been recording.
So
Yes.
that's why the recording is there. Oh, nice. Okay, got it.
You have been pranked.
Damn it.
Nice.
You definitely
Yeah.
got us on the.
So
of the
Shubham, do you have
radar.
any words for the
I think so.
audience?
Yeah. I mean, if this is the launch and then everybody's gonna see this video, so I would like to mention that I think we have been doing all this cool stuff and behind the scenes, and the product is utilizing all of that. But at the same time, every time I look at this data, it's a gold mine. It's so powerful that every time I see my mind is boggled. So I think the same we want to share with the world, and the data sets that we release, and I'm sure a lot more to come in this. Uh, but you guys can use it and do some research on top of it. Also, if you have an idea, if you want to collaborate with us, we would love to do that. Uh, see, you can think of the idea, but we have this scale. We have been doing it for a while, and we know how to scan the internet, pretty fast, right? So if you guys have an idea, we can collaborate and work with you and do a collaborative research, and also, list you out in here so that you can tell the world that you were the idea behind that. But fantastic. I'm excited right now. I'm gonna go, home very shortly and look at this in more detail.
Amazing stuff, folks. Kudos to the whole team. This looks really amazing.
Good stuff. Good stuff. So who did this? Who is the brain behind it?
Oh, it's all Devang. Devang, would you like to say something?
Yeah, so this has a little backstory. Even during our Black Hat trip, Shubham and Sudhanshu were really obsessed about data. And when I got back to India, I decided to work on this. And now this is live, and I'm very excited about this. This project is very close to my heart.
Cool.
Same.
Amazing stuff, Devang.
And
Good
just
stuff.
a
Good
fun
stuff,
fact,
guys.
Thank you, guys.
and
Good
just a
stuff, bro.
fun fact, Devang just became a full stack developer. He's done the front end, he's done the back
I
end.
know how much he is. I
He's
know how much he is UI. That's very cool. Cool.
yeah.
I'm gonna go back home very shortly, and then let's get on a call and talk more about it. Sure. Thank you,
All right.
folks. Bye bye.
Amazing stuff, folks. Bye bye.
Right.